Upgrading a driveway to permeable paving reduces runoff and improves stormwater infiltration around new construction. Permeable pavers work best when installed over a well-graded, open-graded aggregate base that stores and slowly releases water into the subgrade. So, start by excavating to the required depth based on your load needs and frost depth. Use a non-woven geotextile between native soil and aggregate to prevent fine migration while still allowing infiltration. Lay a minimum of 6 inches of open-graded crushed stone for light residential loads and increase thickness for heavier vehicles. For porous asphalt, choose a factory-designed mix with larger stone and minimal fines, and compact it carefully with a vibratory roller to achieve structural stability while retaining void space. Edge restraints are critical to stop lateral movement of pavers and porous surfaces, so anchor continuous polymeric or concrete edging to the subbase with spikes or cast-in-place curbs for a permanent assembly. Grade the surface for a slight crown or 1–2% fall toward landscaped infiltration zones, or a lined dry well to manage overflow, never toward structures or basements. For maintenance, plan routine sweeping with a stiff broom and periodic vacuuming or low-pressure washing in a grid pattern to clear surface fines without pushing debris into the base. Perform yearly inspections and refill joint material with the same size aggregate when it migrates. Homeowners commonly under-evaluate subgrade preparation, which leads to settling and clogging. The fix is to perform proper compaction tests, use a separation geotextile, and design an adequate depth of open-graded base based on soil percolation and expected loads. Another frequent issue is inadequate edge restraint, allowing pavers to spread and lock to fail. Resolve this by installing continuous, firmly anchored edge restraint sized for your paver profile and checking anchors during the first maintenance season. The third concern is clogging from fine sediments from adjacent landscaping or construction. Control that by installing perimeter sediment filters, keeping adjacent soils stabilized during construction, and scheduling regular vacuum maintenance before fines work their way into the base. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners learn about upgrades like permeable driveways and connect with local contractors. We also provide a discussion community so homeowners and contractors can share experiences, ask questions, and find work in projects that match their skills.